Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What do we got? We've got another MV Triton in today, getting our Towbar kit and plug and play wiring harness fitted. $1,200 fitted for a 3.5 ton ADR approved Towbar plus plug and play wiring harness with the automatic sensor cutoff. You can even get it cheaper if you happen to turn it off inside the dash, the reversing sensor. So the reason why we fit the plug and play harness on these ones for the customers who are going to be doing some decent towing is these new Tritons all have the emergency rear brake. If you don't use a plug and play harness, you're in a situation where if you didn't turn it off on the dash, you wouldn't be able to reverse the vehicle because it's seeing the trailer as some kind of a blockage, right? So for 1,200 bucks, you get a plug and play system that eliminates having to turn anything off in the car. Or if you want to save a bit of money because you're not towing that often, you can opt for the $900 fitted. You heard right, MV Triton, brand new Towbar, $900 fitted. And all you got to do is, when you've got the trailer attached, is to go into the dash and turn off that emergency rear brake. Now, all of that rubbish aside, let's actually get into the install. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this Triton bar and the wiring harness. You guys can see it was very straightforward. Obviously bolts directly to the chassis. The wiring plugs right into the OEM plug. If you want to grab these a kit for yourself, hop onto ozcanopies.com.au. You can buy one today. Or if you want to get it fitted by us, you absolutely can as well. If you're located in the Sydney region, we are contactable on 02 9627 8666. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.